Form Volumes have launched Volumate, and it's a browser-based platform for running an LED wall. In other words, you open a tab in Chrome and that's the control surface for the wall. No render box to spec, no Unreal Engine project to set up, no installer. They're pitching it for smaller stages and commercial shops, the places where booking a full Unreal pipeline for 1 day a shoot is overkill. This is what I found interesting. You can generate stills, videos, 360 plates, and Gaussian splats inside the actual app on the browser. You can also bring in your own splats. For example, a drone scan you did, let's say in a real location, can sit on the actual wall and the camera can move through it. Until now, getting a real place onto a small LED room meant a flat 360 plate that didn't react to the camera or a full Unreal job. A splat in a browser is a third option and a much easier one. However, I'm not fully sold yet. A lot depends on how it handles latency and frame sync under a real camera. If your Wi-Fi blinks, what happens to the wall? But the direction is the right one. Plenty of small LED rooms don't need an Unreal team. They need someone to plug a laptop in and shoot. If Volumate is what it looks like, the bar for running a small volume drops a long way. It's a soft launch for now, approving accounts one at a time, so worth getting on that list.